Here we go, guys. So they call this paint gold. Looks a little silver, but it looks cracker. Damn. Let's get it started. Let's go. Okay guys, so step by step, camera's mounted, customer's happy with placement, then I obviously run it up, I remove a couple of trims from the surround, I run it up through the roof lining now to this A-pillar on the driver's side. As you can see, there's a little screw. Where is it? Here on the floor. Yeah, there it is there. Comes off that little plastic. And then you've got the little airbag clip. See that little white one? You have to remove that. And we use a hook tool just from Bunnings or your local depot, Home Depot store. Let's go. Just like that. So as you can see guys, a bit hard, I needed two hands, so I couldn't really record to show what I did. All I did is to get your hook, you get it in around the airbag there, and you get it in through there, the groove, and then you pull it up, and then it will come out of that groove here where my hook is pointing, this little groove here, and it just pops out. And then as you can see, now the A-pillar will come off, so you just wiggle it and then just it will pop off. There you go. Nice and easy. Like, share and subscribe guys. Some epic content coming your way. Let's go.